Aaron at Giselle, hindi lang sana kayo sigurista sa inyong pagpapakasal, kundi maging sigurista kayo sa buhay ninyong may asawa.
Kay tagal ko nang nag-iisa, nandiyan ka lang pala. Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw.
Paano kayo maging sigurado sa buhay ninyong may asawa? Unang-una, dapat kayo ay tama ang inyong mga desisyon.
Fred, magbiyaning iyon.
Thank
Congrats,
you.
man.
From my future husband. Dear Giselle, my bride, this is it. Sana baby, happy ka sa gift ko. Lagi mo sana itong gamitin. Congratulations sa atin. I hope make you happy. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
Pinapabigay ni Miss Jason mo.
Thank
Congratulations po.
Thank you. You ready, baby? Thank you for loving there for me always. I love you so much. See you later.
Castles standing by the darkening sea. Once upon a time, a throne of peace for you and me.
Di, thank you. Thank you sa binigay mong gift. And, promise ko, matulog na akong maaga na. Tapos, always kita hihigatan. Hindi na ako susubay sa'yo. Promise.
Candle in the dark could keep the loneliness away. Why take when you've got
I promise to you na lagi ako nasa tabi mo. Whenever what happen sa atin dalawa, I love you.
what you mean to me? What could it fall without you? What could it fall the world without us searching for blue? The silver lining, it ain't worth your gold. What good is love without you? Cries came calling me to enter the fight. Up the ride. And those days
Baby, I love you the way you make me happy. Thank you kay Lord dahil binigay ka sa amin.
why